Welcome back to English Grammar Quiz and Logic. Today's challenge: choose the correct zero conditional. Total 20 questions, and you have only 10 seconds to answer each one. You may pause the video if you need more time. What is conditionals? Zero conditionals. Question number 1. Correct answer is option A. Question number 2. Correct answer is option B. Question number 3. Option C is the right answer. Question number 4. Correct answer is option D. Question number 5. Option B is the right answer. If you're enjoying the quiz, hit the like button and subscribe to English Grammar Quiz and Logic for more. Next question. Correct answer is option D. Question number 7. Option C is the right answer. Question number 8. Option A is the right answer. Question number 9. Correct answer is option C. Question number 10. Option B is the right answer. Next question. Correct answer is option D. Question number 12. Option B is the right answer. Question number 13. Option A is the right answer. Question number 14. correct answer is option C. Question number 15. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Correct answer is option C. Question number 17. Option D is the right answer. Question number 18. Option B is the right answer. Question number 19. Correct answer is option A. Get ready for your last question. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Question number 20. Correct answer is option C. Thanks for watching. See you in the next challenge.